Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to get into this 360 invisible strap water wave wig from Ashimary hair. And let me tell you, a nice wig that doesn't need much glue is it for the summer. We do not want our lace melting back. We do not want our lace sliding back or anything. So let me tell you, this is one of them. So Ashimary actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this video, girls. Okay guys, so here is the Ashimary wig. You guys know, Ashimary is my girl. I've been rocking with them for a minute, you guys. I love them. But let's go ahead and unbox this wig and see what it's working with, what it's giving. Let's see. Oh, it's sealed to the side, so let's go ahead and open it. Okay, pretty wrapping paper here. We got some pretty paper. Let's see what it's giving. Oh, okay, we're gonna sit the wig to the side for a second and let's look at these gifts. So, here we have a little baggie of different gifts, headbands for when we melt the lace, a wig cap, some lashes, a little bit of all that good stuff, and you have a bonnet here, you guys. And now let's look at this wig. Look at that. I can tell this already looks bomb. Let's see what she's giving. So this is their 24-inch 360 lace wig, invisible lace wig. So let's see. Ooh, look at that curl pattern, you guys. Look at that. This is a really pretty curl pattern. Like, it's that nice, like, looser texture, but not like just too loose. It still is very curly. This is nice. As you can see, the lace is already cut and it is already pre-plucked. So that is bomb. I am super excited about that. It looks good. Okay. And this curl pattern, it's eating the girlies up. I love it. Let's take it off and actually see the 360-ness of this because we want to see what she's actually giving. So let's look at the inside of this wig. It is 360 all the way around. It is like a little space here because that's where your ears go. So it won't be like super hard on your ears or even painful, because sometimes some wigs can be painful around the ear. So it does have an elastic band attached to it. And here is the back of the hair. So you can put this wig in any kind of like high ponytail or a bun or something. You all see here. Once you tighten this up, it has like this invisible string here. So this is how you kind of tighten the wig so you don't really have to use glue on the back to still make it look super good. So here it is, and then you kind of pull these, but I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit when we actually install this wig. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay guys, so let me go ahead and take off this tag. This tag just gives you instructions on how to take care of this wig and what to do at night or like during the day with this wig. So that's really helpful if you're new to wigs. That's a nice little feature. But let's go ahead and install this wig. I'm super excited. I'm ready to see what it's giving. Okay. So I don't have my lace tint right now, but I am gonna add like a little bit of makeup to the lace to make it just a little bit closer to my skin tone. So this is just like my Morphe, what is this? This is finishing powder. Okay, so you don't need too much powder at all. So here it is. I just used something kind of close and we're gonna touch it up towards the end and see how it looks. But let's go ahead and put this wig on and see how she's giving, you guys. Let's see. Ooh, this is a really snug fit, you guys. This is a nice snug fit. And with these combs in here, this wig feels super secure already, you guys. Okay, bam. Oh, okay, that's cute. Cute. Okay. Huh. Okay, right on. It's already looking super cute, you guys. Okay. This is a nice snug fit too, you guys. This is nice. Cutesy. So I would probably just do a little extra plucking, not too much at all. Just a little some right here. Just pull out a few of these hairs, but nothing too crazy. Just so it's not like too straight across. Let's do this quickly. We can do this in like 5 seconds, so it's not anything too intense, you guys. We're just kind of making the hairline look a little more like staggery and messy, I would say. But this is completely optional. I don't like my hairline to just look too perfect, you know? Because my real hairline is insane, you guys. My real hairline just goes everywhere. So I like a little chaos in my hairline. So yeah, if you want to keep the hair down, you could easily do like a nice little glueless flip over method, like bam, that looks cutesy. Let me put a little mousse on it, but let's just add like a little bit of mousse up here. And honestly, I really like the fit of this wig. The combs make it really feel a bit more secure. Even though like usually I will take out my combs, but when you're wearing like a glueless wig, you want some kind of combs in there for like a more secure type of fit. But yeah, even that's already cute. So of course you could wear this wig down anyway. You got a nice amount of parting space, so you can part it any kind of way. Bam, cutesy, cutesy, look at that. It's giving Janet Jackson or something. Like this is already super duper cute. No, this looks bomb, you guys. No glue on here so far. No glue. Like if I actually wore this out, I might add a little bit of spray to the front just so it can really give. But if you're doing a nice side part or a flip over, you do not need glue on this wig whatsoever. But of course this is a 360 wig, so we gotta see the hair up. Now when I put the hair up, we're gonna add a little bit of spray because we want it to be super secure and have a nice cute bun. Well, not bun, a nice cute bun, you guys, my bad. But this is cute. It's giving Janet. I feel like Janet Jackson or something. This looks very vacation ready. Cutesy, cutesy, okay. I like it. Let's go ahead and see this wig with a nice cute updo and really work on the coolest feature of this wig, which is that invisible string in the back. So you do not need any kind of glue in the back of the wig to make it give like a nice updo. So let's really play with that invisible string in the back because you don't need any kind of glue to actually wear this wig 360. I think 360 wigs are just such a cool idea, but having to glue the back of a 360 wig is a lot of work. Like nobody wants to have to do all of that extra work for a 360 wig. But the fact that you do not need glue on the back of the wig, that's fantastic. Nobody wants to put a bunch of glue on the back of their neck and all that. Like that just sounds uncomfortable and a mess. But that's why these strings, let me find the string. The strings can be hidden very easily too, so it's not like the strings are just gonna pop out or anything. And with them being like more clear like, it's easy to hide. But that's why having the strings is a super cool feature on this wig. Let me show you. Just because I don't want this wig to move too much when I'm doing the bun, I'm going to put a little lace spray on the sides just over here, because we want to be able to have like a nice updo like that without them going anywhere. So let's add a little bit of lace spray. We might do just 2 layers. It doesn't need to be anything just too crazy, but this is really, really easy for installing a 360 wig, you guys. Okay, so now we can do our cute little updo without the hair moving too much. Have a cute bun. Ooh. And we have these strings over here. You can see the string poking out over here. And then we have our string over here, you guys. Y'all, I am so unused to putting my hair up in a bun, I forgot. So we are going to do a cute little clip updo. Here's the back, you guys. I pulled the strings and hid it. So here, here's one of the strings. I just pulled them on each side and tighten the back of the wig. Clip. Because this is how I would normally do my hair if I had it up. I'm gonna do a clip right here, bam. A nice little pineapple, basically. A nice pineapple is what she's giving. In the back, she looks cutesy, cutesy, got some neck moment. But yes, you guys, as you can see, this is a super versatile wig for the summer. It's eating the whirlies up, very, very cute. Being able to do a nice bun when you want to do a nice bun is absolutely everything. Especially with it being hotter outside, you don't want to have to use too much glue absolutely everywhere. So Ashimary, you definitely came through with this one. Of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.